Akshit, remember the adventure story we read last night?
Yes, the one with the brave knight and the mysterious castle?
Exactly. Did you notice something interesting about how the story was written?
Not really. It was just about the knight exploring the castle.
Pay attention to how the author referred to the knight and the castle. Did they keep repeating their names?
Oh, I got it. They used words like he for the knight and it for the castle.
Exactly. Those words are called pronouns. They help us avoid repeating nouns.
So, instead of saying brave knight entered the mysterious castle, we can say he entered it.
That's right. Pronouns make sentences shorter and more interesting to read.
So, pronouns are like shortcuts in writing.
Yes, some common pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they. Look at this. The donkey fell down because the donkey was tired. How can we make it better?
The donkey fell because it was tired.
Perfect. It replaced the donkey. Now it's shorter and clearer.
So pronouns like it can replace words and make sentences smoother.
Right. And there are possessive pronouns like mine, yours, ours, his, hers, and theirs. They show that something belongs to someone.
Like saying this book is mine instead of this book belongs to Akshit.
Exactly. When we talk about people, we use personal pronouns like I, you, he, she, we, and they.
So, if I'm talking about just one friend, I use he or she. But if it's a group, I use they.
Yes, and pronouns can also be singular or plural. For one person, use he or she. For a group, use they.
Got it. What about gender?
Pronouns also have gender. He is used for males. She is used for females. It is neuter for things or animals when we don't know the gender. And they can be used for any group of people.
So, he is used for a boy, she is used for a girl, it is used for something like a robot or a chair, and they for a group.
Exactly, Akshit. Pronouns help us to be clear and concise in our writing.
Thanks, Dad. This makes a lot of sense. I can't wait to use pronouns in my own stories.
You're welcome, Akshit.
Understanding pronouns will make you a better storyteller and writer.